What if your data system could adapt like a rover, record like a flight log, and think like mission control? What if you could design scalable data pipelines and real-time dashboards without burning time, budget, or compute? Welcome to Azure Data Engineering, Cosmos DB, Azure SQL, and Synapse Analytics. This course is brought to you in collaboration with Starweaver and Coursera. This is your fast track to building smarter, resilient, and cloud-native systems on Azure. I'm Chris Gloss, an AI-first entrepreneur, consultant, and data solution architect. I've worked with everyone from lean startups to global enterprises, helping them build analytic architectures that don't just handle data, but put it to work. Now I'm bringing that experience to you in a focused, hands-on course designed to help you level up your Azure data skills. What you'll learn. In under 90 minutes, you'll learn how to choose the right database for the job, whether that's Cosmos DB or Azure SQL, based on structure, speed, and scale. Model for performance and flexibility. Optimize queries and reduce compute cost. Integrate everything with Synapse Analytics for batch, real-time, and cross-service insights. This course is full of examples, screen shares, and real-world workflows that you can start using right away. Modern businesses run on data, but data only works if your system does. This course helps you build that system fast, flexible, and analytics ready. Whether you're moving fast with Cosmos, building structure in SQL, or unifying it all in Synapse, you'll know how to do it the smart way. This course is for data engineers ready to work smarter in the Azure ecosystem, BI developers needing scalable backend architectures, technical leads migrating from legacy systems to modern analytics stacks, or anyone looking to connect the dots between Azure's core data tools. You don't need to be a cloud architect, just be ready to build. Azure gives you the tools. This course shows you how to connect them. Join me in Azure Data Engineering, Cosmos DB, Azure SQL, and Synapse Analytics, and take the next step in your cloud data journey. Let's build your mission control together.